Showers and thunderstorms are expected. Only a few tonight, but much more on the way for tomorrow. Now, we're not really looking at much of a severe weather threat tomorrow. The severe weather threat is very low. Can't rule out one or two. However, heavy downpours are our main concern through Wednesday. We may see some clouds, ground lightning, especially tonight and then again Wednesday afternoon and evening. So again, we're not expecting the strong wind, the hail, definitely no tornado threat as we go into the day tomorrow. But heavy downpours with an already very saturated ground and very high water levels across local creeks and streams, prompting another flash flood watch across portions of our area. It doesn't include everyone right now, but it is up for Pocahontas, Fayette, Raleigh, McDowell, Wyoming, and Buchanan counties and points farther to the north and west. It'll be up through about 10 p.m. Wednesday night. Now, it's a possibility that this watch gets extended to our other counties, but even if it doesn't, everyone should stay vigilant, keeping a close eye on their local creek and stream levels, because repetitive heavy downpours could still cause localized flash flooding, especially in Mercer County, up through the Pipestem area in Summers County and down into eastern Tazewell County. We had a very soggy night on Sunday, lots of flooding in those areas, so you definitely want to keep a close eye on the weather situation. At the moment, not dealing with much, just spotty showers and thunderstorms. We did have a severe weather warning earlier in McDowell and Wyoming counties, but these are quick moving and they are weakening now into Mercer County. We're seeing some heavy downpours rolling into the Princeton and Athens area, possibly a little cloud to ground lightning, but mostly rain at this point. So thunderstorms are weakening tonight, and there's not a great chance for any kind of thunderstorms going into tonight or tomorrow either way. It's heavy rain that we're really keeping a very close eye on. Now, as far as the wide view out here, what we're looking at is another line of heavy rain and thunderstorms. This is all headed in our direction with a cold front that's expected to stall out across the area as we go into the day Wednesday. High pressure building into the southeast will help to keep that cold front in place, but it's not going to stay stationary for more than a day. It'll sit across our area Wednesday and then push back to the north Thursday and then back to the south on Friday. That just means we're staying unsettled, dealing with that daily threat of a shower or thunderstorm. Now, our futurecast not showing much tonight, very hit or miss kind of stuff, but we do have the chance to see a few more showers overnight and going into early tomorrow morning. Not a guarantee that we'll have any thunderstorms, but you could still have some heavy rain to deal with overnight. So keep that in mind if you're traveling. Wednesday morning, the heaviest stuff is on our doorstep. But as the cold front comes into the area, widespread showers and storms start to become much more likely in the afternoon. Heavy downpours are a possibility. The clouds, the rain should keep temperatures in the 70s through much of the day, so definitely cooler than what we faced today. As we go into Wednesday evening, the showers start to become spottier. Everything starts to fizzle out for Wednesday night. But going into Thursday, there is a slight chance we could have a few showers and storms redevelop, especially later in the day as we get toward Thursday evening. But until that time, it looks like we'll see a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Not a bad day. It's going to get hot again with temperatures back into the mid-80s. So how much rain can we expect to see? It really depends on how that front stalls across the area, but most of the models are keeping the heaviest rain west of I-77 in the areas that are under that flash flood watch. There's the potential for 1 to 2 inches of rain. But just like we saw on Sunday, some areas really just got one storm after another, and it was very, very localized, but very intense. And if you get a storm or several storms that produce more than 2 inches of rain, there's the potential for serious flash flooding. So it is something we need to monitor very closely tomorrow. You can do that on our website with our interactive Doppler radar. And of course, you want to have that WVVA weather app ready to go on your cell phone. Now, for temperatures, it depends on where you are, but if you've seen some rain, you've cooled off. We've got 70s and even some 60s in McDowell and Wyoming counties. Still seeing 70s in Tazewell, and we're starting to cool off here in Mercer. Farther to the north, not much wet weather. So we got a lot of 80s through Pipestem, Lewisburg, Fayetteville checking in at around 81 right now. Now, as far as the temperature situation, the hot air is definitely going to continue, especially across the south. Keep that in mind if you're traveling in that direction. With the wet weather tomorrow, not as warm, but still very humid. But then we're back into the 80s for the end of the week and the weekend. Very July-like.
Yeah, it looks a lot better than last weekend as well.
Yeah, at least it's rainy but warm as opposed to last week.
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Cool, Jen. Thank you very much.
Yeah.